FELIX Printers introduces the new generation of food 3D printers. Get creative, personalize food, and stay ahead with the newest trend in food, 3D printing. There are 3 types of food 3D printers available. Here we focus on the twin-head food printer. The twin food printer increases your production capacity by printing multiple prints simultaneously. Select your desired paste and load it into the cartridge. Prime the syringe to eliminate air bubbles for a smooth print result. Bring your creation to life. Print pastes such as pureed vegetables, fats, sugar icing, and more. Thanks to 3D food printing, you can serve food in ways you can only imagine. Enjoy!